I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend our unity, and uphold our honor and glory. So help me God. Salute! Three bossa for my country.
Bossa! 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 Again! Bossa! Bossa! Three awilo. Hey! Niger!
That is
I love my country.
I love my country. I love Niger. Wherever we are united. No, waiting and talk, but I just.
You get one song where you sing.
I no go lie. Now inside we go. I love my country. I no go lie. Now inside we go.
I never regret.
You sabi the second version of national anthem.
O God of creation, direct our noble cause. Guide our leaders right. Help our youth the truth to know. In love and honesty to grow and live in just and true. Great lofty heights attain to build a nation where peace and justice shall reign. They don't know. They don't. You understand? Now na prayer.
Yeah.
Second verse na prayer.
Yeah.
You understand? Very deep something, you know.
Yes.
Hey, October 1st, how everybody did. We celebrate the full Nigeria like this because we are happy say we'll be Nigerians. You understand me now? North, south, east, and the west. Together we are.
For the first time. For the first time for this show, I go talk my full name. My full names. All right, I be Yoruba girl.
Yes.
From the indigenous of Ogbomoso South local government area of Oyo State. You understand? My names are
Naka
as follows: Mary, Mayowa. No, full name. Mary. Oluwa Mayowa. Motomori. Remilekun. Alake. Alaba. You understand?
Alaba.
Yes. Atinuke Ade.
Atinuke Ade.
Atinuke Ade Oluwa Lambe. Adepoju Lord.
Hey!
You understand?
Only you.
Only me.
Only me. Like this, like this.
Ile-Eloma, Princess of Ile-Eloma, Ile-Elema in the Ogbomoso.
Tell them.
That's my name.
My own full name.
Yes.
Yeah. They are actually Michael. Ngezelonye. Agiriga. Kehinde. Eno. Uba. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You understand? I mix all of them inside. You understand?
State and capital. Abia, Umuahia, Adamawa, Yola, Akwa Ibom, Uyo, Anambra, Awka, Bauchi, Benue, Maiduguri, Borno, Maiduguri, Cross River, Calabar, Delta, Asaba, Edo, Benin, Enugu, Imo, Owerri. Jigawa, Dutse, Kaduna, Katsina, Kano, Kogi, Lokoja, Kwara, Ilori, Lagos, Ikeja.
Lagos, Asaba.
Lagos, Ikeja. What's wrong with you?
Don't mind me, it's a slip of teeth. Lagos, Ikeja.
I don't pause now. You don't offer.
No worry. The remaining will talk before the show ends.
Okay, last. Yo, be the matru zafara.
Finish. You don't end. You don't just because of the show.
What's wrong
you get
with
me
you?
now? Which kind of celebrity fly did this?
The fly all blue. Alright, welcome to the show. Paddy with the name of the show, Independence Day for Nigeria. So 3 hours for your country. You understand?
Yes, so
that's how it be because we are survivors.
Yes.
We not only Nigerians,
We gonna survive.
We be
survivors.
We gonna give up. We ain't gonna stop. We gonna work harder. We are survivors.
Hey.
We gonna make it.
Hey.
We not gonna stop.
Hey.
We will go higher.
Hey.
That's not the same.
Oh.
Because any country where you go, Nigerians, you find them there.
Representing.
Aye.
The green, white, green, man.
Then they there.
With our skin and every.
Not there.
The hustlers.
We there.
Where we be.
We there.
Not only about the doors for.
No.
They're not for good things.
They're not for good
Correct
things.
it.
Nigerians have been best students in universities
Yes.
across the world.
Inventors.
Yes. Nigerians
Yes.
have been inventors.
Yes.
Nigerians have been perpetrators.
Yes.
Nigerians have been people where we say that then start some kind of things.
Yes.
You understand me now?
Entertainers too.
Yes. Nigerians
Yes.
are entertainers doing good things.
Good things.
You understand? The living legend, Mashek Fashek, alone, where was he from?
Oh,
He's in Nigeria.
he's in Nigeria,
Forget
man.
what is going on, but he's in
Yes.
Nigeria. Fela Nicola Kuti is a word.
Kuti.
It's a word. In
Nigeria.
fact, Nigerian girl will win Best Supporting Actress for inside this particular series,
no.
where then they call Orange is the New Black. It's an Igbo girl. She's a Nigerian girl.
Then Ejiofor. He's a Nigerian man. David Oyelowo.
He's a Nigerian man.
These are international people who are doing film outside the country. And then the speech that
my presidents gave when presidents met, he said, doth have for you for the president of my country.
Oh.
You understand me now?
Nigeria.
So now, so it Koma gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́pọ̀ ká fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan. Gbé kẹ́mi gbé.
We they come back. Party don't start now. After this break, we enter another level. Not go anywhere.
You see this story, we go talk
story.
But we go gist. You understand? It's an independence. It's our birthday. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to us. Thank you. Nigeria. Independence.
Okay, now welcome back. That's the party show, and of course now our Independence Day edition. I bet this particular one.
Yeah, so everything Nigerian.
Everything Nigerian.
Everything Nigerian. Even our stories, the ones when no be Nigerian self, we go put them for one corner, we go fill in the blank.
Which one be Nigerian?
Nigerian
or not?
Only this one. Only this one.
This
one of blockers.
Hey, you know what go happen there? More just give them one each.
Because these G's them, they know to.
Yeah. But anyway, we shall do them. You understand me now? We'll do them. We'll just do them. Yeah? Based on say, you understand? Like guys, they try.
But Ogbolo, on a lighter note, because everybody today they talk serious things, story of independence, how the presidents from 1960 to this particular era. You understand? People they talk many things. So we want to do it on a lighter note. I will tell you my own native food. You will tell me yours.
My native food?
Yes. Because in our place, if you're a Yoruba girl, and you don't know what they call amala. Hot one. Amala dudu. Hot one, what they do with back of yam. If you don't really know that one, you're not really a...
But not everybody say they like some kind...
No, this one not be whether you like them or not. Now your culture. You understand? Now the food where they attributed to your culture. So for me, it's amala and abula. You know abula? Abula is a bean soup, begiri, and they call them. You now mix it together with a wedu. That one where we say you go do for, you can't use broom, they do meditate. When you mix it together with a stew.
Oh, stew.
And you eat the amala. With all this a gufe. Gufe is a goat meat.
Talk that thing again.
Stew. When you now mix it together with a, when you now mix it together with a gufe, ogbolo, the remaining is extra.
Okay. For my own side,
I
they like the one from my other side.
Which is okay. You don't say you be half caste.
You know, I be half caste.
Your father is from one place, your mom is from one place.
Yeah, mixed breed.
Yeah.
Both are quite born, and then I be the end. Wait inside my name.
Okay.
You understand? So I be the two of this. But for the food side, okay, because I don't first call my names now from Malay side. Make I can't talk the food from Popsy side.
Yeah.
You know what they call ekpan koko?
Ekpan koko, I know the team. I know every animal inside that thing.
Ekpan koko. They can't get the soup what they call them edika icon. Oh,
animal fula.
Wow. When you shop that thing, oh naga.
With some pounded yam.
Some pounded yam and just the sugar inside the correct
time
the sugar and
you understand?
No,
those kind of food we say they live na like 15 naira. But the animal where they say na like 2,000.
Oh, you call the liquid they call umfi. Na be periwinkle.
You could talk.
Oh,
that you don't boil and small.
Hey.
Come pour am inside the food.
We can't get white soup for my Malay side, though.
No,
you understand?
with,
white
with
soup,
different caliber of fish.
Oh,
you understand? Plus the stock, plus the dry, plus the fresh.
Hey.
Bayale.
Banga soup can see day for the corner.
No, if you serve a inside local small pots. Hot. You feel that chop rice.
Oh, chaka.
You feel that chop food.
Oh,
you feel, no.
Oh, no.
But when I get soup.
With soup day.
When I get soup.
So, you know, Tuesday. Because if we top and small with small palmy, you understand? Just to be all right. You get me? That's natural.
Yeah,
it's
you
natural.
chop the food, you drink it to subside it.
Oh, nada. It's going to go your legs straight. Maybe your belly again. Go your legs straight. Tuesday.
We are blessed.
Nigeria as a country, we are a blessed place.
You can't know the one where they sweet me past, the one where concern me now. You as a woman, when Nigerian woman won't marry, when they dress you as your local bride, her is the most beautiful sight. Because even although you people will marry our men, when they want they do the traditional something. When they dress them like us, they look beautiful.
But one of the states I really like to look for when they marry for this country. Now the Benin people.
Benin with all their beads.
They put beads everywhere.
Even their wrapper, then they get bead wrappers. Some of them.
Bead your full everywhere. They can't be like royalty.
Yes.
You understand? Yoruba say when they sweet me.
You know why Yoruba when they sweet me? You see that they are ashoke when they tie them for you. Can't tie them for you with wrapper. Can't give you, can't they dance?
All those and Yoruba wedding, activity.
And they like money.
You go lie down, you go belly full.
You go lie down, you go belly full. You jump like 1, 2, was
you go pay money for this one. You go pay money for that one. I want.
But the good thing is that we know they to collect bribe. Our bride price they pass like 2 naira.
Una bride price ahead, and then they okay.
Like 2 naira.
But if you go outside for the country, bride price, I'm not gonna mention. One side of the country, their bride price. Say, may you come collect the bride price list. You pay money.
You can pay money.
Hey! I'm not going to mention what I said.
Many people can't go school.
Oh!
Can't be educated, successful.
Many girl can't be the first girl.
Hey, wait.
Your own. You will pay. At this point in time, we'll go for one small break, sharply. We still talk about Nigeria. Now today be Nigeria Day, okay? So no go anywhere. The party show still continue as we reminisce on top of every concern Nigeria, all right?
Happy independence.
Nigeria.
Yes, welcome back. We'll see on top. Independence matter for Inside Paddy. If you just join us now, we be your beautiful people where they come your way, they disturb your airwave from 11:30 up to 12 o'clock every day, Monday to Friday. But they feel my vibe.
I feel.
You feel my vibe.
Your professionalism.
Vibe. You understand this thing?
I feel your vibe.
You feel my vibe.
I feel your vibe.
On Independence Day.
On Independence Day.
You feel my vibe.
I feel your vibe. I feel your vibe.
This kind of song they call no tune and they blow pass.
On Independence Day, my wife.
Feel my vibe.
I feel your vibe.
My vibe.
See, make we dey go, yeah. Make we dey blow, yeah. Make we dey read everything that they go, yeah. Make we dey, yeah. Make we dey, read everything. Oh, I feel you.
You feel my vibe.
This is all called a warakpanda.
Now, talking about Nigeria, but you know, so we got culture.
Yes. Culture day.
You get some kind of things where you go do for other countries.
Yes.
Where people they see them as normal. You know if you try them for here. You know if you just wake up one day 16 and say, Daddy is stupid, man.
Oh!
Daddy, I'm leaving the house. Wanna? Then go beat. Surya pass your la. Your call police will beat you on top.
Are you crazy, Daddy? Nibo. Oh yeah.
No.
You see, which one are they watch them the Kardashians last night? They tell their mama, will you just shut up? Will you just shut up? Shut the hell up. For yeah. Shut the hell up. Go dig your grave. For yeah.
Only you arrange your funeral.
Dig your grave and arrange your funeral.
Because apart from your parents, your auntie, your uncle,
neighbor,
your nephew, your neighbor, your teacher, your oga, all of them will finish you.
Oh, they'll finish you. Now, for community, then they train picking.
And you know, say each culture gets their own level of each tribe get their own level of respect and culture whether they impose for their picking. For example, now for Yoruba people, if I marry enter Yoruba house, even if na 2-year-old picking, na brother, if na girl na auntie. Now, sign of respect.
Yes, yes.
So
yes.
if I marry, enter your house now, even if me and your sister are mates,
yes.
or even if me and your sister one thing, or your younger sister will be mates, or your elder, anyone, all of them, na auntie, brother. I don't go feel look them for eye, even if they're senior me.
Largely, Yorubas, yes, they do that thing well.
Yes.
But I feel so almost every country, every state or culture, for inside Nigeria too, they get some kind of level of respect. Where, you know, for like Yorubas, they will kneel down. And the Igbos too, they go, you guys go take greet, you know, and your elders. But respect is part of the thing where they inside our culture generally as Nigerians where we be, you know. And I want to know they keep us so far. Culture. It's not the culture where we get for this side of the world. Many things they will don't do.
What will don't do? If I don't capsize, as it be like this.
If I don't spoil finish. Culture, then they hold us like this.
Now let me tell you something very beautiful about the Hausa people. You know, say I grew up in the north. I grew up among them, so I know them very well. The Hausa people, it is a beautiful when they won't marry. Ask me why.
It is a beautiful.
Okay. It is a beautiful, splendid sight. Yeah, because Ogbolo, now 1 week.
1 week.
You as the girlfriends, you go first get to our own ladies' day where we say we go dance. Then they get one day they call Saleli. That one where they go call, you know those beautiful paintings where people don't copy now.
So they
go paint them for her, paint them for her friends. We go the husband's side place, thief their shoe. They go pay money to collect them back. It's a beautiful 1 week now when they do wedding.
1 whole week.
Oh yes.
Wow.
And then Nikai, they go just come, join them, and they know they waste time. Once they don't join them, they don't off them. For later that day, we will see they dance. Amariana Pitova, Gamana Pitova, Amariana Pitova, Gamana Avicenta, Gamana Mariam, Gatanata, which didn't Miji Gatana, and I then get this again. You know, some local beats now the sweet pass.
And I look at the sweet pass. Again.
You can't say.
Nigeria is a blessed place.
Beautiful
land.
Amazing
We know some things never too pure, but we shall get there.
Yes.
You understand me
now? And you know it's a different culture with what they are known for.
Yes.
Yoruba people, they know them, say that they get very well. They are women, they very well. I don't know which kind Yoruba get me I be. Maybe me I be a mixture of Yoruba and Hausa.
Somewhere along the line.
But somewhere along the line, I lost my But Yoruba people are known for this, and then Calabar people are known for food.
Oh, that food own. If they cook food for you.
They feel use food carry a whole nation.
They feel a full vegetation. One food forest, they do soup.
Do soup.
If soup go be like bing, go still live.
And then Igbo people business.
Oh.
They are known for business. They don't used to relate. Some part of Igbo people, they don't used to relate. Any part of the world where you go see Igbo people. Not there. Not there.
Benin people.
Yes.
They are known for they hold their heritage well. No, they are strong. They are very strong.
They are very
and they hold their heritage.
Inclined.
Exactly. Benin, they don't joke with their heritage.
They're very strong.
And
you know, say Hausa people are actually one of the people that will be say they get the nicest hearts. If you meet Hausa person, they are very nice to you. But they know they carry their religion play.
Religion, then they can play.
No, they can play. But they are very nice people.
We got 2 videos we just want to play, give people. You also feel the whole thing. You also mass break for a year. I want to say we talk plenty about Nigeria where we love so much. Okay, so after this one, I will come back. Just come outside the whole thing.
And Nigerian boys can find. Nigerian men can find. And they tell you, if you go diaspora, they still want to come back to our Nigeria. Ogbolo, you are a fine man.
Oh!
Nigerian men can do all right. You understand? They get swag. Swag good, Joe. When you see Nigerian man, then, you understand? They can't find joy. It's a complete package. Big boys in every ramification. That's how we roll, man.
That's how we roll,
man. Machine gun, everything okay.
Let's take this video. We'll come back now.
Oh God! So we dey celebrate independence. No me say we no go remember to tell you. Say make una follow us for Twitter, mbok.
Yeah, so make people at the same time, make people also give. Also, we don't mention today.
Yes.
Our food, culture, and everything. Make people
tell us your own.
Tell us your own. Yes, on top. Maybe what your full name, on our own culture. Or
what makes you feel say your own tribe they unique. You understand? What unique were you in your tribe?
About your own tribe. Let us know on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy.
Yes, at Wazobia Paddy. And then follow us for Instagram at Mayowa Lambe for I. And for this cute young man for
Ogbolo.
At Ogbolo. Follow him for his Instagram. Then follow the full station
live
at Wazobia TV NG. You go see other shows, including in late night shows and other shows that we do on top Wazobia TV. Now, before we come on, I just want to talk something. But if you say, if now Oyibo people they do fried yam and akara. Hey! They go don't give them one.
No.
You know, there for school they call it coach and douche.
Coach and douche.
They for don't give them
French fries.
No.
Something fries.
Mashed beans fries.
Mashed beans fries. No be only akara there now. Potato fried potato there.
Okay.
Fried yam there. Fried plantain there. Now fries. They are all fryables. You understand?
Jimin fries.
Jimin fries. Which one be Jimin fries? As you get French fries, if you get Niger fries,
or
Niger fries,
or Nigerian fries.
Nigerian fries.
Nigerian fries.
Nigerian fries.
Nigerian fries.
You understand? Now call it Nigerian fries.
Yeah.
It's not like corn, ewagon and bread. That one would be. I don't know what they call them. Ewagon and bread.
Beans paste.
Beans paste.
Or beans or bread beans paste.
Beans burger.
Beans burger.
Beans burger.
Or beans burger.
So Mona tell us any combination we wanna feel we supposed get one kind name. You understand?
You know this
time don't come on.
Pea and corn.
Pea and corn, corn and coconut. Different things.
Pepper soup.
Any combination. Let us not up Twitter and the name we supposed give them as Nigerians where we be. Okay? So for here now we come out leg on top the whole show because we no get time. Okay, but we'll go see everybody. Happy Independence Day to all the Nigerians.
Happy Independence. We love you so much. We love her.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.